You think it does wheelies? Let's find out. Alrighty guys, we got a little something different for you today. A golf cart. So, Landon picked this golf cart up when he worked out at Best Friends a year ago? Yep. Year and a half ago, something like that. He's got big plans for this thing. For Christmas, he wanted a motor for it. So, me and Michelle gave him a 23 horse Harbor Freight motor. Let's get it put in here today, see if we can make this thing run and drive. You think it does wheelies?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
This is the motor we're going to be using. In theory, make that thing do at least 40. That's fast for a golf cart.
There she is.
Oh
You gonna fit?
Oh, there she is.
In all her glory. Yeah.
Hey, it's even the right size. We've got a clutch for it. Look at that little miniature turbo system. That's cool. So it looks like the exhaust is pretty much going to be in the way. So we'll take that off first, and then we'll slide this down in there, see if we can line stuff up and make it work. May do wheelies. All right, moment of truth. Is she gonna fit? There you go.
This is gonna be, hopefully, probably not as fast as the blue truck over there, you know?
16 inches might fit under the seat.
Is it just an air cleaner?
I think. It's gonna fit. We're gonna make this thing fit in here. We may have to do some custom seat work. We may have to come up with another air cleaner, because I believe the seat will clear without the air cleaner. So we'll figure it out. I think it's gonna work. It's a little bit too wide, but
It has a 4-inch lift now.
all right, it looks like you're hitting on these little things. So lift that motor out. You'll have to cut these. I just cut it back here.
Okay.
And we'll lay them down, and we're gonna have to put something in here to toughen it up again. So it's probably a terrible idea what we're doing here, but it should be fun. So this rear end has reverse. You can switch it so it still should go forward and backwards and do all those things. They smoke donuts.
Man.
Got it.
You got some building and work to get done, you and Carl. I'm just supervisor of this project.
We gotta trim a little.
All right, so these two bolts right here seem to be the problem. This is hitting. We're gonna have to figure how to cut that and make this set into the frame and clear everything.
You got the marked section out where we need to cut the frame.
Roughly.
Roughly.
Okay, I'll show you what we're looking for here. So see, this piece right here has got to hang below this. So I'm just gonna take the Sharpie and mark it. Just like that.
I think it's got pretty good enough weld to hold it.
Well, tank's in. We'll get them bolted down.
Well,
Alright, I came to check in on this process. These guys are bolting the motor down. We gotta get this key in the clutch. Okay. I'm bleeding still.
We're gonna go run to Terry's real fast, and we're gonna go find a 3-inch one of those bolts right there. Let's go. So we got that bolt, which is $1.89. Here, there's some thick washers. We got that one. We came here to Ed's, which he gave us permission to swipe a gas cap and a seat. Okay, we just got back from the parts store. We're gonna see if this will fit.
Perfect. Alright guys, look at this. Belt's on it, motor's in it. He's just got to square it all up, tighten the bolts in it, and we're starting to hook things up.
Yep.
This little golf cart's probably going to be kind of scary. We'll see how it pans out, but I'm liking our options here. Alright, get her done. That's the sound of a motor being tightened in. Motor is in this thing. Alright, he's getting close enough that I'm going to start building some exhaust on this thing. So we've cut the muffler off. Game plan is 2-inch pipe, something like that. I'm just going to come across, bend it down, and out of there. So should be fairly easy. We'll run over, do a little kinking, a little bending, drill some holes in it, and slide it over and weld them in. That's going to be really close. Let's go check it. I'll go bend it just a little bit more. Go bend it a little bit more and I'll be right back. I'm pretty spot on with my Sharpie marking. Oh, it's real close. It's real close. Okay. That exhaust is sweet. We got to cap the back of that, weld those in. We're exhausted. I'm gonna leave you guys to do all that. I'm gonna go to track practice, and when I get back, we'll take this for a ride.
I'm currently wiring the starter to the battery so we can hear this thing start.
So is this supposed to run faster than a normal
Yes.
golf cart?
yeah,
Yes, by like 40 miles an hour.
And is there a reason for that other than just you
Just
have
fun.
to do it?
Just
That
because
you're
it
your
has to happen.
father's child.
It has to happen.
Why not?
Hey, you want to know something cool?
What?
I have another golf cart just like this. I got 3.
Why do you have 3?
I got 2 from best friends, 1 from Ed. Oh, I'm gonna put a snowmobile motor in one, and then a little Amazon diesel.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
See if we can get this thing to start. It just clicks. There we go.
Ho, ho.
Well, guess let's put some tools up and wait for my dad to get back.
Just got home from track practice, and these guys have done some work while I was gone. They Exhaust is all on it. It runs, I guess. So we'll see what they accomplished here. Is the seat gonna fit, Land?
We're about to find out.
Is it hitting? It's really close if it's not. So
If you sit
I'm
on-
sure the air cleaner will hold the seat up just fine. Fire it up, let's see what happens. Alrighty, boys. Let's see what all that hard work was for today. Well, it sounds loud. Like a Harley. Oh yeah. I'm getting in. I'm going for the first ride in this thing. There we go. Not loud for golfing. Jump the cover, still go way back. Not super sketchy like it's on. No, not bad at all. Oh, we can make it. We can make it go way faster. I approve. I did too. Cool. It works. Reverse works. Yeah, let's just say try reverse. It works. Well, I'm driving. Okay. Oh, get in there. It's pretty obnoxiously loud. Word forward. I back up. Let's see if we can figure out let's take the seat off. I want to see where the belt comes up to. It died. We'll just coast it back. It's like it ran out of gas. I'm one Carl power.
What happened? What happened?
It ran out of gas, I think. I don't know. Like, we're not getting quite full throttle. Well, it was fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
Get some starting fluid, Land. Let's see if it's fuel or spark. It sputtered like it was running out of fuel.
Yeah.
Yep, no fuel. So the belt's going clear to the top. So we're getting all the speed that we can get out of that part. We need more
Need more RPM out of the motor.
More RPM. Yep, more RPM to make it go faster. Thing's obnoxiously loud. Is that plugged? My bets are it's plugged. That's gonna be plugged. Let's take it out of the tank.
Not a pickup.
Tight. There ain't nothing coming out of that. Plugged up tight. Oh. Nope, that's what happened.
There's no
The hose come off.
Yeah, there's no hose on it.
I see the line. It's sitting on the bottom corner there.
Yeah, it broke right off. That was the dilemma. 3 inches. All right. She ain't sucking fuel yet. Has good power.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
Pulls
it'll
pretty
snap
good.
you right back. I mean, that ain't gonna work. but it might work for today. Well, it's in the fuel anyway down there. We can prime it a little. I should turn it on. Okay. Alright, we did a little governor work. I think these boys can take off on this thing. Alright, I think today was a pretty good success, really. Golf cart went from a pile of junk in my yard to leaving little burnouts in the yard. So next thing we'll probably do is probably get that turbo on that thing and see if we can make it smoke the tires. So I'm pretty happy with it. Some days you just have to build stuff because you want to, not because you need to. This was fun.
Ready?
I say she rips.
She rips. Alrighty, today was a pretty good day of just kind of goofing around, building fun stuff. Landon got his golf cart running. Hope you had a good day, Land. It was kind of fun.
It was fun.
Now, park it somewhere else than where I was. So,
Okay.
alright, thanks for watching, guys.